Hey guitarists, we are going to do Miserlou. This video is the bass notes. This is the easiest way to play it. Just single bass notes all on the top string, all on E string. So our bass notes are E, open, F, fret 1, G, fret 3, and then we'll come up to fret 5. There is a dot on your guitar here, so that is how you find it. Okay, so they are the four notes we're going to use, E and F. Now the first part is just E and F, and then in the second part, part 2, we'll be starting on the 5th fret on A, going down to G, going down to F, and then going down to E. So to play this, you need to know how to play those notes. Okay, part 1. The rhythm is ti-ta, ti-ta, ta, ti-ta, ti-ta, ta, ti-ta. That repeats, that rhythm repeats. So there's an 8th note, the ti, and then a quarter note, I call it ta, another 8th note, a ti, and then 2 quarter notes, ta, ta. So ti-ta, ti-ta, ta, ti-ta, ti-ta, ta. That is our rhythm. So we're going to follow that rhythm. Now in the first line, in part 1, I've got music here which I'm following, by the way. If you need to find that, you can just download that from our Dropbox. E for the first line, and then the second line, just E. And then in the second half of part 1, we'll be going to F for 2 bars of F, then back to E, 2 bars of F, and back to E. Pretty easy, so hopefully you can follow along. And when I get to F, just go to fret 1. Okay, from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ti-ta, ti-ta, ta, ti-ta, ti-ta, ta, ti-ta, ti-ta, ta, ti-ta, ti-ta, ta. Okay, that was 4 bars. Okay, now another 4 bars of E. 2, 3, 4. Ti-ta, ti-ta, ta, ti-ta, ti-ta, ta, ti-ta, ti-ta, ta, ti-ta, ti-ta, ta. That completes the first half, and now 2 bars of F. Fret 1 now. Ti-ta, ti-ta, ta, ti-ta, ti-ta. Back to E. Ti-ta. Repeat. Back to E. Okay, that is part 1, and we're going to repeat that. So we'll play it one more time. 2, 3, 4. So far, so good. That's the first half. Hope you're still with me, guys. Now the second half, we're going to A, fret 5, okay? We're going to play the same rhythm, okay? We're in part 2 now. So we've got 2 bars of A, 2 bars of G, 2 bars of F, 2 bars of E, okay? And the second half of part 2 is just the same as the second half of part 1, so there's a bit of poetry right there. Part 2. 2, 3, A. Ti-ta, ti-ta, ta, ti-ta, ti-ta. Then G. That's G. And F. Then E. Back to F. E. Finishing with that again. Second part from A, then G, then F, then E, back to F, then after finishing part 2, I'd go back to part 1 and play it again. So, and the song, you can play it as many times as you want. In the recording, I think they'll do it about 2, maybe 3 times through the whole thing. So hopefully that makes sense to you guys. Next video I'll be playing that with a metronome. So come back for more.